Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about the story of Siddhartha. It is a novel which was written by Hermann Hesse. It is an Indian tale by Hermann Hesse. About the author, Hermann Hesse was born in Germany in 1877. He wrote many poems, novels, short stories, and essays. In 1946, he won the Nobel Prize for Literature for his novel The Glass Bat Game. Siddhartha was a spiritual and religious novel. It is about the achievement of total spiritual understanding by Siddhartha. Main characters of this novel: Siddhartha, he was a protagonist of this novel and he was a son of a Brahmin. Govinda, he was Siddhartha's childhood friend. Kamala, she was a wife of Siddhartha. Vasudeva, he was a ferryman. Kamaswami, a merchant who instructs Siddhartha to trade on business. Young Siddhartha, he was a son of Siddhartha and Kamala, and he was a 11-year-old boy. Then Samanas, they are a group of traveling ascetics. Gautama, he was an enlightened religious leader with many followers. Summary of Siddhartha. Siddhartha was written in Germany. It is in a simple lyrical style. Siddhartha was a son of Brahmin and he lived with his friend Govinda. He feels that something missing in that Brahmin life because he know about that his father achieved all the wisdom in their community, but they have not still achieved the enlightenment in enlightenment in life. He dissatisfied with his Brahmin life. So Siddhartha always have a thirst for knowledge. So he decided to leave his home and he want to achieve enlightenment. Then Siddhartha and Govinda decide to join with Samanas to get the enlightenment. At the time, both Siddhartha and Govinda hear about the holy man named the Buddha. Buddha who has attained the complete enlightenment in the stage of Nirvana. Govinda decides to follow the Buddha's philosophy, but Siddhartha does not want to follow this. So he decided to left to begin from this place and he leaves from his friend Govinda. Then he met Kamala and Kamaswami. On his journey, Siddhartha encounters various people. Finally, he reaches the river and there he met a ferryman. There he achieves his whole of to attain enlightenment. Finally, he achieves the enlightenment. He discovers that true knowledge is hidden from himself. Main theme of the novel: enlightenment. It is the main theme of the novel. Then unity of nature. Nature helps Siddhartha in many ways. Spirituality. Spirituality is very important for to achieve enlightenment. Self-realization. Finally, Siddhartha realized his own self. Wisdom and knowledge. Themes: enlightenment. It is the main theme of the novel because enlightenment is searched by not only Siddhartha but also by his friend Govinda, his father Gautama, and Vasudeva. Unity of nature. In every stage of his life, nature supports Siddhartha by providing him with physical and spiritual energy. Nature provided him with physical and spiritual energy. Spirituality. Hermann Hesse uses spirituality to define the inner happiness and knowledge of Siddhartha. Wisdom and knowledge. Those who have achieved enlightenment are also wise because wise people are all are achieve enlightenment. Conclusion. Siddhartha is a spiritual and religious novel. Siddhartha's relationship with the river teaches him that all things are one and the natural world connects all its features and inhabitants together. On his travel, Siddhartha met various people. Finally, he discovers that true knowledge is hidden from himself. He got the spiritual enlightenment in his life. Thank you.